This is the most fascinating example of amalgamation of life, nationality, ethnicity, and culture, the Chinese Kali temple in Tangra. एक लोकल फोकलोर भी है इस मंदिर से जुड़ी। तो आज से बहुत साल पहले, तब जब कोई रिकॉर्ड्स नहीं थे, एक 10 साल का बच्चा बहुत बीमार पड़ जाता है, टर्मिनल इलनेस जिसको कहते हैं। आखिर उम्मीद में माँ बाप जो रहते हैं वो एक पेड़ के नीचे सिंदूर लगी काली शिलाओं के सामने प्रार्थना करते हैं। ये चाइनीज लोग हैं। और फिर होता है मिरेकल। किंवदंती के अनुसार वो बच्चा मिराकुलसली ठीक हो जाता है। तभी से ये लोग काली की उपासना करते हैं। Today the temple features Chinese incense sticks or joss sticks and the burning of handmade paper to ward off evil. ब्योमकेश बख्शी फिल्म देखी थी, तब दिखे थे कलकत्ते में इतने चाइनीज, पर इतनी सिग्निफिकेंट पॉपुलेशन एक कैपिटल सिटी में। कोलकाता में चाइनीज कम्युनिटी मेनली दो जगह रहती है। One is टिरेटा बाजार, the old Chinatown, and second टांगरा, the new Chinatown. और टिरेटा बाजार के नाम पढ़ने की कहानी भी अपने आप में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। टिरेटा एक इटालियन आर्किटेक्ट था। पूरा नाम एडोराडो टिरेटा। He fled Italy due to a political offense and arrived in Calcutta in the 1770s. यहाँ आने से पहले वो जाकोमो कैसानोवा के करीबी साथी थे। इनके बारे में तो जरूर खोज के पढ़िए। Tiretta became the civil architect of Calcutta and the superintendent of roads under the East India Company. 1783 में टिरेटा ने इस जगह पर एक प्राइवेट मार्केट बनाया। 5 साल बाद इस पूरे बाजार की कीमत करीब 2 लाख सिक्का रुपए थी, लेकिन फाइनेंशियल क्रंच की वजह से उन्हें यह बाजार लॉटरी के लिए देना पड़ा। ये सड़क जो आप लोग देख रहे हैं, ये सुन यात सेन सड़क है। सुन यात सेन चीन की हिस्ट्री में एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फिगर है। तो आप लोग अगर माओ जेडोंग का नाम जानते हो, ना जानते हो तो ढूंढ के पढ़िए, जिन्होंने पीपल्स रिपब्लिक ऑफ चाइना बनाई थी। पीपल्स रिपब्लिक ऑफ चाइना से पहले इट वाज रिपब्लिक ऑफ चाइना, जो कि सुन यात सेन ने बनाई थी। ही वाज द फादर ऑफ नेशन ऑफ रिपब्लिक ऑफ चाइना। बाद में इन दोनों में स्प्लिट हो गया, नेशनलिस्ट वर्सेस कम्युनिस्ट का डिवाइड हो गया। मोहल्ले की कहानी ऐसी है कि इन 1778 a Chinese gentleman named Tong Atchu came to Bengal and established a sugar mill and plantation in Achipur. वो अपने साथ काम करने के लिए करीब 110 चीनी मजदूर लेकर आए। फिर ओवर टाइम 19th and 20th सेंचुरी में और कई प्रवासी यहाँ आए, escaping the opium wars, the Taiping rebellion and later the Japanese invasion. अलग अलग ग्रुप्स ने अलग अलग काम पकड़ लिए। जैसे कैंटनीज लोगों ने कारपेंट्री और जहाजों की फिटिंग का काम शुरू किया। द हुबे और हुपे टुक अप डेंटिस्ट्री एंड लॉन्ड्री। द हक्का डोमिनेटेड द टैनिंग, शू मेकिंग एंड लेदर इंडस्ट्रीज। एट इट्स पीक यहाँ पर 20,000 की आबादी थी इस कम्युनिटी की, जो अब घटकर 2 से 4,000 बची है बस।
First time I was doing the Buddhist.
Buddhist.
Follow my parents, mother, this thing. After that, I find out this Kali Mai.
Kali Mai.
Yeah.
So, are you also the worshipper of Kali
I
Mai?
worship, yeah. Every year.
There's this thing that here the prasad is noodles and it is veg noodles. Is it true or it is just a myth?
Yes, that's not true. They doing the documentary from Delhi. They keep the noodles there. I take out this, I capture there, I keep to some other people. They say I'm doing the noodles.
No. So here, like every other temple in the country, the prasad is same.
I'm doing the same like Hindu, all the thing.
So, can you speak Bengali too?
No.
Only
Very
English and Mandarin.
Mandarin.
Okay. Yeah. And how has but there's just one skeptic question I would want to ask you. I have tried, talking to people here, and there are a lot of people who are not very open to talking. You're the first person who is talking. Why is this?
The people, they don't like the inquiry of this thing.
हाँ.
We don't speak to anyone.
Hmm.
Only we are friends or we talk to each other.
Hmm.
Other people you have just
That is why. Okay.
They
And
were-
like whenever there is some geopolitical or international tension, does it affect you or the community here, or you just live with the people very happily in harmony?
we meet the people. We meet Hindu friends also every day.
Yeah.
Sit together, have tea and this thing.
Acha, tell me something. There's a very interesting thing about tea. Here, the tea is very different from the tea of China. Here, we add milk, we add ginger.
No, I don't think.
So you don't think that tea? Like, going to have the tea?
Yeah. You want it?
Yeah, let's go to have a tea. And yesterday there was an announcement of election and thing. Does it affect you? Do you people think about that or not?
No.
No.
They know.
Business as usual.
Everywhere, people know it. Come on.
Dada, chai.
Try the.
What else do you like about Kolkata? How many parts have you fared? How many parts of India have you fared so far? Only Kolkata or West Bengal? Have you not traveled across the country?
No.
No, not much.
Sometimes I have to go to Gaya.
Where?
Both Gaya.
Aaj both gaya. Because of faith. Yeah, there are a lot of Buddhist shrines and
Yeah.
Buddhist religious monuments here. Right. So have you been to China in the recent years?
No.
Or even when you were
No.
after you won any time?
I don't want to go to.
You don't want to. Why?
China. Bara.
Why?
I don't feel like to go there.
Hmm.
I was born in this area, India. I like India best. The thing, I hate it. Even America, I don't like it. I can't buy.
So over America and China, you chose India. Huh?
I've been there 11 years.
In America. You were working. What did you work? What is your line of work?
Teaching hall. On the temporary for this thing. Doing all the stuff. This thing.
You said that you don't want to go to China, but like it or not, we came here to cover you the Chinese community. But originally you're like Indian.
No.
You're exactly like Indian.
I don't want to go. I don't like. I don't feel like to go.
But you're now an Indian. I'll call you an Indian, right?
Indian Chinese.
No, you're not even Chinese.
Yeah, I born in India.
Yeah, you're in Indian. Right. इसकी वजह क्या है? कुछ लोकल्स, शहर के इतिहासकारों और कम्युनिटी के कुछ एक लोगों से बात करके हम कुछ एक वजह ढूंढ पाए। The first traumatic turning point was the 1962 Sino-Indian War. Many ethnic Chinese, जिनके पास Indian documents भी थे, they were arrested and sent to internment camps in Deoli, Rajasthan. Eventually, many migrated to Canada, Australia, and Hong Kong. 90s में हुआ ये कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने प्रदूषण के चलते कई चमड़े की फैक्ट्रीज को यहां से बाटला शिफ्ट कर दिया। अब इससे हाका कम्युनिटी डायरेक्टली इफेक्ट हुई, रोजी पर असर पड़ा, तो उन्होंने या तो रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस खोल लिया या देश छोड़कर चले गए। Many residents still face othering based on their physical appearance despite holding Indian passports and voting in elections.